Hey gardeners, welcome back to our channel today. We're counting down the top 6 colorful flowers that'll attract butterflies and hummingbirds to your garden. These flowers are not only beautiful, but also easy to grow and maintain. Top 6 colorful flowers that attract butterflies and hummingbirds. Number 1 is bee balm. First up is bee balm with its bright red, pink, purple, or white flowers. It's a favorite of hummingbirds and butterflies. Bee balm is a perennial flower that's easy to care for and can thrive in partial shade. Number 2 is trumpet vine. Next up is trumpet vine with its showy orange or red flowers. It's a hummingbird magnet. Trumpet vine is a vigorous climber that can grow up to 40 feet tall. Number 3 is butterfly bush. The butterfly bush is a must-have for any butterfly garden with its conical flowers in shades of pink, purple, and white. It's a favorite of butterflies and hummingbirds. The next pollinator's attractive plant is salvia. Salvia is a popular choice for gardeners with its tall spikes of blue, purple, red, or white flowers. It's a favorite of hummingbirds and butterflies and is easy to care for. Number 5 is honeysuckle. Honeysuckle is a fragrant climbing vine with white, yellow, or pink flowers that attract hummingbirds and butterflies. It's a fast-growing vine that can grow up to 20 feet tall. Number 6 is lantana. Last but not least is lantana with its clusters of small, fragrant flowers in shades of pink, yellow, and purple. It's a favorite of butterflies and hummingbirds and is heat-tolerant. Butterflies and hummingbirds are not only beautiful to watch, but they also play crucial roles in ecosystems. Both butterflies and hummingbirds serve as indicators of ecosystem health and biodiversity. Their beauty and behaviors bring joy and appreciation for nature to people worldwide. By supporting plants that attract these creatures like lantana and honeysuckle, you can contribute to their well-being and the health of your local ecosystem. There you have it. The top 6 colorful flowers that attract butterflies and hummingbirds to your garden. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening content.